Hey everyone, today I am making a German chocolate cake in the microwave in my Rockcrok. I'm using my everyday pan. I couldn't find my Dutch oven size, so we're gonna go with that. First, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go by the ingredients that are on my box cake mix. So I'm gonna put in a cup of water, a 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, 3 eggs, and then I'm going to put in the cake mix. Well, first I'm going to use my whisk here. This is the only one I have clean right now. I've been using all of them, been cooking quite a bit. So I'm gonna just use this whisk. It will work perfect. I love this whisk because of the way it is shaped and it goes around the edges so great. And you can use it in any pan, any bowl, anything without having to worry about scratching. Of course, on my Dutch oven, I'm really not so much, not my Dutch oven, my Rockcrok, not so much worried about that. I could use my regular whisk. Then I'm just gonna put in my cake mix. My scissors are in the dishwasher right now, or I would use those. I'm gonna pour that in. Then mix it all up. Right here in the bowl. So I'm not dirtying the bowl because I'm going to cook it right here in this pan. Normally, I would use one of my favorite tools, which is my mini whipper, to do this part. But like I said, any whisk will work. You can also do this where you use just a cake mix and a can of soda, like Dr. Pepper, and cook it. All right, so our cake mix is all ready. I feel like it's a little. All right. Set this to the side because you know the best part when you make a cake, and I guess the downside to not having a dirty mixing bowl is licking the bowl, right? And I can like this. All right. So now all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put our lid on. And I'm gonna go put it in the microwave for about 12 or 15 minutes. And then we'll come back. All right, so we are back. I've taken the cake out of the microwave. I just took the lid off so you can still see it steaming there, but I was gonna turn it so you guys can see better. Here's our cake. And it's actually, if you can tell, kind of pulled away from the side so you can see that it's not sticking or anything. So now all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pour my icing on top. I have German chocolate icing. And I know normally we let cakes cool. However, I am like, this is just a different kind of dessert, right? It's not a regular cake, so this will kind of cool with it on here. I'm just going to use my, I forget what this is called, some kind of spreader. I'm going to plop this on here, and it is going to kind of melt and just almost make it like a big lava type cake, maybe, but without it being on the inside because it'll be on the top, so it's gonna kind of spread down to the bottom. So I have successfully cooked a big dinner. I made ribs in my multi-cooker. Everything's pretty much done, Skylar. I made a pasta salad, just box, nothing fancy. And then some beans and some mac and cheese that are on the stovetop right now, and a cake. We have a pretty big dinner. So that is it. Let me show you guys the finished product here. Look at that. We've got a quick, easy German chocolate dessert. I microwaved it for 12 minutes. And that's it. So let me know if you have any questions.